My name is Ena Melvan. I'm a researcher from Croatia. I'm just finishing my PhD and I founded my own startup like a year ago. That's it. That's mostly what I do at the moment. I won an award. It was part of ICT ICT competition. It's called Started. It was like academy for new startups. So I won a first award there in that competition, and I also won this year L'Oréal and UNESCO. They are giving for women in science. It was an award for young women scientists. So I also won that award. I'm outgoing, really curious, but a bit hyperactive. I always want to learn more, and I really like to enjoy life.